Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my Ancestry DNA results. I actually took this test a while ago, like over a year ago, but I recently asked you guys on Instagram. I did a poll and asked if you wanted to see a video on me sharing my results, and I actually got 100% votes on yes, so that's what I'm bringing to you today. And this is a common question that I get on my YouTube and just in life in general. People always want to know what my ethnicity is. So if you ever have been curious about it, this is a video for you. I will be sharing my true ethnicity with you guys today. So I already seen the results, of course, but I will be pulling it up on my phone just so I can go through it with you. But I will put something on the screen so you guys can actually see the results for yourself as well. All right, so we're going to start off with the first result, and the first result is going to be the highest percentage of your ethnicity. So mine is Italy, and it shows 46% Italy. Now this is no surprise to me just because my mother is Italian. She's like full-blooded Italian, both her parents are. And then it also shows a sub-region under Italy. It shows Sicily, which is also no surprise because she is Sicilian. So yeah, I was really not surprised by that one, but I was kind of surprised by the percentage. You know, 46%, that's really, really high. So I'll share with you guys, I did get my mom's login as well because I purchased a DNA kit for her for Christmas. So I'll show you hers after I show you mine. But yeah, so 46% Italy. So the next result is Benin, Togo, which is West Africa, and that is 26%. Below that we have Ivory Coast / Ghana, which is 12%, which is also West Africa. And then below that we have Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples, which is 9%, and that's kind of in the heart of Africa. These results also, no surprise to me. I did expect to see a lot of African ancestry just because my dad is Jamaican, a black Jamaican, so yeah, so I expected to see African. And then below that we have England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, which is 2%. So there's something interesting about this, but we'll touch base on that a little bit later. So 2% England, Wales, Northwestern Europe. And then these ones below are going to be, of course, smaller percentages. So there's Eastern Europe and Russia, 1%, Sardinia, 1%, Sweden, 1%, Mali, 1%, and Iran/Persia, 1%. So just like there was the sub-region of Sicily for Italy, if you go down, there's an additional community, and it shows Afro-Jamaicans, and they got this from the regions England, Wales, Northwestern Europe, and then my African regions. So that was interesting because I was expecting, you know, when I seen the England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, I was expecting, okay, that's Europe, probably from my mom's side, but actually not. And that's not that surprising because a lot of my Jamaican family is actually in England. So I have my Jamaican sides like in England and Jamaica. So that was just kind of interesting. And then below that, there's another sub-region which shows Northern Afro-Jamaicans, and then when you click on that, it pulls up the map of Jamaica, and then it highlights the northern part of Jamaica. Again, this is not surprising because Kingston is in that northern, highlighted northern region of Jamaica, and my dad is from Kingston, Jamaica. So yeah, that was pretty much my result. So basically, to summarize it, I'm 51% European, and then 48% African, and 1% other. So that just kind of summarizes it for you guys. So just as a little bonus, I'll go ahead and show you my mom's as well. So hers shows 89% Italy with the subcategory or sub-region of Sicily. She has 7% Greece and Balkans, 3% France, and then 1% Turkey in Caucasus. So it's interesting because I didn't get any of the Greece, any of the France, or any of the Turkey. The Turkey's not surprising because she only had 1%. But it's interesting to see that all I really got from my mom was just the Italian. Like all the Italian, I didn't get any of the Greece or the France from her. The other interesting part is I actually had family members, found some family members. Like, it shows you if other people take the test that match your DNA at all, like first cousins, parents, brothers, sisters, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth cousin, grandparents. Like, if any of your relatives, even if they're very like long removed relatives, if they take the test, it'll match you up and it'll say, hey, we found a match, this person. So I thought that was really cool. My brother actually took the test on my dad's side, and I didn't know he was even taking the test, and it showed us, like, it paired us up. Also, when my mom took her test, it matched me up with her and said that this is, hey, this is your parent. So I just thought that was really cool as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I just wanted to share those results with you guys. If you've taken the test, share down below what your results are. And I was also thinking about doing one of the other more in-depth DNA tests. Like, I know 23andMe has one that goes like even deeper. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will do it. Just let me know. If, you know, enough of you are interested, I'll do it. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications as well. But that's about it for this video. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next one.
Perfect.